Hello and welcome to another video. This is about Jay's Transport Mark II, just about to be converted to Mark III. And that's a very unusual unit and probably the best transport you can get these days. At the heart of it is a Philips CDM-4 swing arm mechanism. They apparently got a batch of new old stock from somewhere and decided to do a transport around it, and a couple of toroids there, nice filter on the input, and then there is a board with a couple of clocks there, and overall quality build. It's a CNC machine case, very heavy. I've counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 regulators. Oh, sorry, there's another one here, 17. It is a surface mount, as you can see, but it's not really high density. Quality made. I mean, if you want a transport now, you know, this is the thing. This is the thing to get, because the CDM-4 is the single most reliable mechanism ever made. I've only ever seen two fail. One of them was smashed by courier mechanically. That swing arm just wouldn't move, and the other one people were playing about with in Cambridge Audio CD2. People were playing about with laser power. They had leaky capacitors. Instead of replacing them, they just increased the power and burned it. But other than that, it is basically indestructible. So if you want to transport, this is it. I'll fire up quickly oscilloscope and show you the output. The output is very square, slight overshoot, but other than that, it's good. It should be booting within seconds now. Oh, here it is. Let me quickly plug it in. There it is. So it is very square. Let me go single. So it's very square. Verticals are vertical, just slight overshoot, which is all right. But it's, you know, very good, almost perfect. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.